Okay.
I mean, I just love it.
So here's our potential new home.
Look at this home.
Here's our potential new home. Let's come over here, show you the little nook. Cutie. Okay, we'll change a little few things. That's to the garage. Cute pantry. Bathroom downstairs. Darling, I love the fucking stripes.
Oh my God.
Okay, so here we go. This is where we'd put our TV. We'd have a big, maybe need to get a new TV. This is outdoor side. Here we go, up the stairs.
We're definitely gonna get a plasma for this.
Here we go. Oh, excuse me.
That's alright.
Excuse me, thank you. Okay, laundry room, upstairs. Large master. Here's the big master. Sorry, this is fast. Comes with everything you're seeing here. So cute. Okay.
I wonder if then we could just share a bed.
Here is.
No, but seriously.
Here's the bedroom, or here's the toilet, separate. Huge closet. Okay. Shower. Okay. Danielle. Photos. Okay. Here's another bedroom. Comes with everything you see, playa. Okay. So cute. Little closet, but that's okay. I showed you laundry. This door right here, this is downstairs. This door right here is a little pantry, or a little closet. This would be our